Righto, being Australia, we've got a roast pork going on in the camp oven. Why not do dessert at the same time? We're going to do an apple crumble. So we've got first course, second course, and the third course. Righto, we have a cup of brown sugar, throw that in there, 3/4 of a cup of rolled oats, 3/4 of a cup of plain flour, about a cup and a half of butter. This is where the fun begins. Roll together till you've got a crumbly sort of a dough. Righto, you want to get your dry mix to a nice, almost like wet crumbly sand. Righto, I'm going to add some cinnamon sugar, about a tablespoon. I like my stuff sweet. Give that a quick mix around. Alright, we'll get onto the apple. Here's one I prepared earlier. Righto, we'll add some cinnamon sugar to this too. Why not? Get that another tablespoon. Give it a bit of a mix around. Flatten it out. Dry mix on top. Well, it's wet mix now. Crumble that around like that. Push your mix down a bit. Don't get too carried away. Righto, we're going to add this to the Bedourie. King's Bedourie. Place that in there. Place the lid on there. The handle on there, and we'll put her in the fire. Same again. A little layer of coals. We don't want too much for the bottom. Heat in that fire. That looks good. Throw our Bedourie on. Make some nice warm coals on top. Give that half an hour, I'd say. So I reckon we're pretty well done at that. Now I'll prepare some vegetables to go in with the pork. Just going to have a quick look at the apple crumble, see how we're going. It's been half an hour. That looks pretty well done. You have to invest in a set of welding gloves for stuff like that. Picking hot stuff up, can't go wrong. Alright, let's get this bad boy off here and have a look. Have a look at this. A little burnt bit on one side there, but these things happen. That looks absolutely beautiful. Have a look at that. Well, I've got my dinner. Don't know what anyone else is having. Righto, let's see how we went here. Looks crumbly. That looks pretty good.